In this video, you will see how to update the firmware of the i500 3D printer. First, turn off the 3D printer and unplug the power cable. Prepare the pen drive with the new firmware according to the procedure in Quick Start Guide Manual Firmware Update. Insert the pen drive into the USB port, plug the power cable, and turn the machine on. After the reboot, a screen with the update will pop up. Press Yes during 10 seconds time period. If you don't manage to do it in 10 seconds, please reboot the machine. Please select the firmware package from the list and press OK. The update is in progress and will take a few minutes. Then, the printer will reboot. A pop-up with firmware update will appear again. This time, ignore it or press No. After uploading and checking all the modules, you will see a message that the installation is completed. Press OK. Press Start, and your i500 3D printer are ready to work.